these laptops should be used in the right perspective to gain knowledge and for a purposeful use. Of course, during our times, I remember we had nothing of these facilities. It was very, very difficult. Not even a mobile we had. Today we have mobiles, we have laptops, we have internet, we have Google, we have WhatsApp, everything. But my thing is, today jobs, how many jobs can a government give? Today almost about 50,000-60,000 jobs, and still there are more to come. But it is important that today our government has given all the facilities, like this is one of the facilities where all your students, once out of school, the intentions of parents are that my child should become a doctor, a professor, some should get government jobs, but it is also important to be entrepreneurs.
We want to see that our children of today become job givers and not job seekers. हे स्टेटमेंट काढून जाय ना ताच्या खातीर बॅकबोन कितें करपा जाय जाल्यार वी नीड टू एन्श्योर that the policies are right, implementation is right, schemes are right, so you can avail एक गोंयकार भुरगो फुडें जाल्यार गोंयकार भुरगे फुडाकार आपूण कितें जावंक सोदता ग्लेनान बरें म्हणलें की सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब मेळूंक शकतात ना आनी अक्षरशः इट शुड स्टार्ट अगेन फ्रॉम द फॅमिली की लेट अस डू समथिंग मोर देन आस्किंग फॉर अ गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब म्हाकाय दिसता म्हज्या भुरग्याक गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब मेळचो ताकाय दिसता सगळ्यांक जावंक शकना and then the entrepreneurship model so that today government is going ahead with it in the IT sector. Today we are going with a startup policy. Today we are going looking at the IT policy. We are giving, government is now giving focus on infrastructure. IT infrastructure where you can come and set shop and start plug and play. Start doing business, start having self-entrepreneurship, employ people around you.